senses these past couple weeks?
Yeah.
What did we learn about in science? What have we been doing, Kalel?
We are going to feel something that is hot, so feel it's bumpy.
Okay, that's one thing. Feeling something that is hot or bumpy. What is that sense called?
Touch.
Touch. Very good, Brandon. What other senses did we explore, Narayan?
Training.
One more time.
Training.
What is that? Can you give me an example? Training. Oh, training. Oh, so sharing. Oh, we did sharing. That's something we have been learning. Very good, but it's not a part of science. The five senses. So we have touch. That was another. Helena, do you know another one?
Looking.
Oh, our eyes. So see. That's another one. Jacelyn.
Ears.
Ears. What do we use our ears for?
Listening.
Listening. So that's the third sense. Hear. Trinity.
Taste.
Taste is another one. We didn't learn that yet, but you know it. 4. Okay, one more. Talia. Nose. What do we use our nose for?
Smell.
Smelling. So that's the five senses. So let's do it together. Let's point. So eyes. Eyes are for seeing. Repeat after Miss Yoshi. Eyes are for seeing. Ears are for listening. Nose are for smelling. Tongue is for tasting. And hands are for touching. Very good. So for touching, we did the mystery box. Remember that?
Yeah. And what is that pineapple for?
Oh, we'll find out.
Smelling.
Smelling, it can be for smelling. What else could it be for? Touching. Or tasting. Okay, so we're going to do all three of those things today. We're going to use all three of those senses. So I want you, remember, to quickly get in a circle as fast as you can.
Hey, I'm looking at my shoes.
You should be right here.
There's a gap.
Well, let's fill in our gap. Malika, can you sit here for today, please? By Kalel. Okay. I'm going to sit right there. So we have 2 pineapples, so they're kind of heavy. So when I pass them around, I want you to use 2 hands to carry it.
Oh, it's
Really
poking.
heavy. Yeah, so what are some feelings we might feel? Raise your hand, tell me, what are some touch sensations? Narayan? Okay, that's one our sense we could smell it. What kind of smells would it smell like? Would it smell sour? Would it smell stinky? What would it smell?
Good.
Smell good, but what does good mean? What is
Tasty.
So if it's something going to be tasty, what is it going to smell like? Do pineapples smell sour?
No. It tastes sour.
They can taste sour. Do they smell like old socks?
No.
Do they smell like sweet candy?
Yes.
So we call that smell sweet. Sweet. So that's a sweet smell. What other kind of smells do we have, Joshua? What other things do you smell?
These ones are animals.
Pineapples. Okay, so I'm going to pass it around. One going this way, 2 hands. And I want you to really explore it. So when you grab it, feel it. Maybe it might feel rough or pokey, but be very careful because some parts are very pokey.
Like the leaf is.
And I want you to smell it. Okay? Smell it. But we're not tasting it yet because we cannot eat the outside. It could hurt our tongue. 2 hands.
Inside.
2 hands. 2 hands.
I think it can be. Smell it. It's heavy for her.
Is it heavy? Okay, you done? Did you smell it already? Smell it.
Oh, she's not. I don't want to. That's so heavy. That's so heavy.
Now she'll hurry up. So if you've already touched the pineapple and smelt it, I want you to massage your brains and see. What? What did it smell? What did it smell like? I want you to massage it and think and whisper in your hand. Okay, bring it back.
No, I'm not tasting too.
Oh, yeah, bring it back to you.
This is not heavy at all.
Okay, come real quick. No, I'm not touching it. Smell.
It's not heavy at all.
Okay.
It's not even heavy at all. But it's even dirty. Taste it.
Massage your head. What did it smell? What are some words to describe it?
It smells
Oh, don't say anything yet. I want you to just massage your brain.
and that's all.
What did it feel like?
Feels like baby.
Okay, now whisper it in your hand. What did it smell like? What are words? Hello? Your body control. Okay, I want you to share it with your partner. Just come on next to you. You can have more than one. You can have more than one partner to share it with. And when you're done, do just like Ayani Pelia, hold your hand up to the shoulder. You're done. You sure?
Yeah. Ryan.
You sure?
Dad.
Raise your hand, hold your hand, raise your hand. Does everybody share?
Yes.
Shake hands. Okay, very good. So raise your hand. And tell me, what did you smell? What is a word to describe what you smell? Dyson, thank you for sitting like this.
Smell like sweet candy.
Smell like sweet candy. What else did it smell like? Jason, thank you for sitting nicely. Jason? Another time? And some more? Okay. Ayani, what did it smell like? It did smell like pineapple because it is a pineapple. Was it sour? Was it sweet? Malachi? It smelled like cotton candy. That's so good. What did you do? You related it to something. Okay, hands down. You guys need to hands down.
What earring is it? Kalian. What he eat?
Okay, are we ready to learn? Because everyone keeps interrupting, and then we won't have time to eat the pineapple. And if you don't want to eat it, it's okay. More for me and Miss Valenti.
I want it. I like it.
Dyson, try it again by yourself. Now we did smell. It smelled like cotton candy. It smelled like sweet candy. So those are sweet smells, and this smelled sweet too. So that's using your frame of reference. You're relating it to something. Oh, I know that cotton candy smells like this, or I know that sweet candy smells like this, and it smells the same. So Miss Yoshi is going to cut it. To be very safe. Everyone's going to cut one.
Nice and on the back.
Can you please
Okay, like this.
Okay.
Take off the top so I can cut it.
On your bottom.
How do you cut it?
So I have a cutting board.
And
I have a trash bag to put the sweet stuff on it so it doesn't get on our nice carpet.
Can you see?
Oh, yes. I have my bowl to put the pineapples in after. Yoshi did, because I asked permission. I asked Miss Dunn and Miss Kamanti Dunn if I could bring a knife to school for learning, because I needed to teach you guys something for science. And she said, it's okay. So I can only use it during science, and when I'm done, I have to put it away someplace safe. Yes, sir. Is it vital?
When I went to my old school, we went to on the bus, and everyone was making pineapple, and we ate it, and it tasted good. This one might taste the same.
Oh, it might taste the same. Yeah, we'll see. So Miss Belmonte's going to help me take off the top because Miss Yoshi's not as strong.
I'm strong. I'm not very strong too, but Mrs. Belmonte's been doing this a long time because I'm older than Miss Yoshi. But normally,
How old are you?
me, oh, I'll tell you later. I'll tell you in secret.
think
But when people get
15.
older, they don't want people to know. Sorry, I know I'm blocking some of your ways. I'll try to move around so that you can see. Maybe I can see this. Oh. Do you want to tell them what we might do with this?
Oh, okay. So later we're going to plant it, because that's how pineapples grow. You put the tops back in the water first, let the roots come out, and then when the roots start coming out, you put it in the ground and you plant it. So we're gonna plant it as a class. It will be our plant.
And maybe days from now, we could harvest our own. We don't have to go to the store to buy. Maybe next year, we might have our own pineapple growing from the garden.
Okay, so quiet, because Miss Yoshi doesn't want to cut herself, yeah?
Oh.
So what color is the outside of the pineapple?
Yellow.
Yellow. What other colors do you see?
Green, green, red, and
There's
white.
lots of colors. But on the inside, it's just yellow.
And that's a little
On your bottom, so your friends can see. It's okay.
the slicey part. Are we gonna eat the pineapple?
Yeah, so we get to eat the pineapple, but I think we need to wash our hands. So Ken, who's sitting nicely? Ken, Shyla, can you grab the hand sanitizer we use for lunch?
I'm gonna go to lunch place.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm hungry.
I know how to use it, but I still don't want to.
200% of it. I feel like I can smell it. We are eating the pineapple.
Quiet voices. Okay.
I have bigger.
So Shyla will give you 1 squirt of sanitizer if you're sitting nicely with your hands out. And after that, you cannot touch anything, otherwise your hands will be dirty.
Do you have any sticky before you have that? We put your pan bar. Oh. Looks like a triangle there. Looks like a triangle.
Yeah, so Miss Yoshi cut it into
Triangles.
triangles. What are these? These are triangles. What shape is this?
Square. Rectangle.
It's a rectangle. Yeah, cut into rectangles first. And then I'm going to cut it into the best square that I can.
Oh, those. Yay. Are you going to eat the other one? Are we going to eat the other one? Right there. Yeah.
Some people eat the outside. I don't know anybody, but I'm sure some people do. But we're not.
I eat the outside. It's really yucky. I eat inside. That is a lot of honey. You make me whole honey.
And if we can't eat it all, then I think I'll share it with our friends, Miss Sa, Miss Mahara, Miss Pons. I don't know. I want to give you guys more than one, but you have to show me you deserve more than one. Oh wow, now we're sitting so nicely. And I know, is anybody? Don't say not me. I'm gonna ask a question, and if it's not you, just stay silent. Is anybody allergic to pineapple? I said not me. Are you allergic to pineapple?
Yeah.
Are you really?
Yeah.
Okay, can you go sit over there, please?
What happens if you have pineapple on you, Charlotte? Do you get sick?
No.
Oh, allergic means you get sick when you're around or that means you're not allergic. She's asking if pineapple makes you sick. Does it make you sick? Okay, then she's okay.
Because you know, like Connor, when he eats peanut butter, he gets sick. Yeah, he gets sick. Or eggs, right? He gets sick. His throat starts to get small, and so if that happens to you, that means you're allergic. Because you can get really hurt. That's why I asked. Because I don't want you guys to get hurt.
I love the night. How come you call it a cookie?
I don't like it.
I'm allergic to big. I'm allergic. I love pineapple. I'm allergic to watermelon. It's so good. I hate pineapple. Don't do that, Mother. I don't like pineapple.
Okay, if you don't want to eat the pineapple, it's okay. I'll come around, and you can just say no, thank you.
And that was it.
But you should try it because last year, one of my little girls says, I don't like pineapple. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like pineapple. But you know, when I let her try it, she said, tastes really, really good, Mrs. Mama. And she wanted more and more. She actually went home and she told her mommy to buy a pineapple from the store. So you might just want to try it. And if you don't like it, you can wrap it with a napkin and you can throw it away. But if you are allergic, if pineapple makes you sick, you can just smell it and throw it away. Okay?
So this is how I want you to eat the pineapple. Just in case some of you don't know how. We're going to grab the pineapple. We're only touching one, because if we touch all the other ones, they're germs. Actually, I think Miss Yoshi will just give it to you. And then we're going to smell it first so we can get the smell. And if you're not sure if it's going to be sour, you can just, put your tongue.
Eat it.
It doesn't taste sour. And then, it's good. If you don't want it, I'm going to eat it all. Nick, can you help me please pass everybody
The napkin?
okay, this Miss Noah, did you want to try one
Oh,
first?
yes. Thank you for asking.
Oh, you're the boss, that's why.
May I have one, please?
Yes. Yes. Yes, I know you guys are the teacher.
Sweet. Fruits because they're so expensive.
I didn't even know if we had that. So you got vegetables?
That is worth planting. Hopefully next year when we have our own, the mommies are usually like their children, so when it has fruit, it may be just like
Like this one that we had. But how do they the ones who make them? How do they do that? Do
the
they have
sun.
do they have seeds?
Ask Miss Yoshi.
Miss Yoshi, how do the guys who make the pineapple, how do they do it?
Oh, those are the hardest workers because Hawaii has a lot of pineapple fields. Yeah, that's what we used to be. We used to have all these pineapple fields.
But how do they make it? It grows by itself.
It grows all by itself. So just like how you grow by it, does someone make you grow?
No.
There's someone that puts your new legs in or your new head. Oh, the food. Oh, that's how you're asking. Oh, so what do plants need to survive?
Water, sun, sunlight, and
What does it have to be planted in?
Soil.
Soil. So that's what helps make these pineapples good.
I want 100 million of them. Down.
So after you taste, I want you to think, what
does it taste like? It tastes nothing. It's good.
If you want another one, can you please show me? Can you sit nicely and have your hand out so I know that you want another one? Because we have a lot. I don't mind giving you more. I'm going to give you.
Hannah, are you allergic to pineapple?
No, Connor doesn't like pineapples, and that's okay. I understand. There's some things I like that you like that I might not like.
Did you try it?
more.
That one try. If you try it, will be better. I want to I'm not allergic to pineapple. Yeah, but I said I love my
Oh, sure. My fingers are all sticky.
Yeah.
Annie, are you sure? You okay? Okay.
Yeah, I got two.
Okay, after you're done, wipe your fingers on your napkin.
Can you put them on their napkin?
Oh, that's it. That's it. Look, it's almost all gone.
Wow. I really enjoyed it. It's really good.
We have. I know. Maybe we can do another science activity that we could do a different
We
fruit.
have another one. We have another one.
Yeah, another one.
We can do that one too.
We could. But we played, so we learned and played. So now we have to do some work, right?
I'm hungry for more.
I'm gonna borrow yours. Thank you.
Since Carter don't want.
Okay, so wipe your fingers when you're done.
I'm hungry for. We want more. This one's so
They're all so good, but maybe you can ask mommy and daddy.
Don't you say it, but this one's so good.
Oh. Okay, well if you're not gonna eat it, then put it inside. I know. Okay.
What does solid mean?
Solid. So solid is a state of matter. What is a state of matter? This is a big science thing. Yes, Sexton.
Solid means that it's kind of sour.
Sour?
Sour. Okay, I'll do it.
So is this a solid?
Yes.
Yes, so something that kind of has a hard feeling to it.
I know. Yeah,
Oh yeah. Okay, so stand up, throw away your rubbish, and come back in the circle, please. Maybe I'll put it during lunch and we can have after. Okay, we should have a thing called air on the bottom. No, this is not. We didn't finish air in the air. On your bottom.
It depends on how much of you get.
Just because it's good doesn't mean you're gonna eat it. If you're standing in line to wash your hands, come back to the carpet. You can wash your hands after. Wash your hands after. Almost done. Is it carpet time? You're gonna miss on learning. It's okay, but you're gonna miss on learning.
Yeah, but what's gonna happen?
But look, we just learned about pineapples and you got to eat it. If you were at bathroom, you wouldn't be able to. In the circle. Okay, so what are the 5 senses again? Can you raise your hand and tell me what are the 5 senses?
Nobody was this small circle. It's more real though.
All this time you guys are taking to get in a circle, that's less time for centers after lunch. Okay, so what are the 5 senses that we learned? Can someone give me one? Malachi, can you give me one?
Taste.
Okay, so what do you use to taste?
Tongue.
Your tongue. So I want you to draw a tongue. Oh, not now. Understand your bottom. Dyson, what's another sense? Other than tasting, Malachi said tasting. What's another one? Feeling. What did Dyson say? Trinity, what did Dyson just say?
Feeling.
We learned listening, feeling. What do you use to feel?
Pineapple. Pineapple.
But what part of our body do we use?
Hands.
So can you draw your, not yet, hold on to this. Draw a hand.
Okay, I'm gonna
Okay,
go.
I'm going
now.
Friend, what's another sense? Smell. What do we use to smell? What body part do we use to smell?
No.
Okay, so you could draw your nose. Stand in front. What's, we have three. Trinity, move your name to yellow. Move your name to yellow.
Plus one.
Boy or girl side?
This is the first one. Yeah. Miss Yoshi, this is the first.
That's your first warning. Okay, so we talked about tasting with our tongue, feeling with our hands, and smelling with our nose. What's another sense, Narayan?
Touch.
We said touch. What's another one?
Eye.
What do we use our eyes for?
Looking.
Seeing.
So draw your
So you could draw your eyes. Oh.
So,
And what's the last one we didn't say?
ears.
Oh, we said hands for touching.
Ears.
Ears for listening. So you could draw your ears.
Yeah.
Okay, so if I see,
I want to do the eyes. I'm doing this way.
I want to do this.
what are, okay. Okay. So what is this called again?
Five senses.
Oh no, but what is this?
Five
Circle map. A circle map. So I want you guys to draw one of the five senses.
I'm going to draw the eyes.
Just think what you're going to draw. Because if you say it aloud, then your friends might want to draw the same thing. That we're going to have 20 eyes. Well, that's not the only sense now. And if you want to challenge yourself, you can come back and get another one. And you can have two. You can even have 3 different ones on there.
I'm challenge.
Yep. So what is one sense Miss Yoshi can draw?
Challenge. Excuse me. I want to challenge myself.
So Miss Yoshi could draw the eyes. So I would draw the eyes with pencil, color it with crayon, and label. Don't forget to label. And write your name on the back. And boys.
And the J.
And turn it into the green basket. And if you want more to challenge yourself, then it'll be on the whiteboard. Okay, so if you already have a paper, stand up and go to your desk.
I'm going to challenge myself.
Brennan, what sense are you going to draw? I'll come back and think about it. Kalia, what sense are you going to draw? Smelling. What would you draw for smelling? What body part? I'll come back to you when you're sitting nicely. What sense are you going to draw? What's another one? What did we use today? What's the sense? What do you use to listen? Your ears. You could draw your ears.
What do we put
I want you to color. I want you to take up the whole